Question number 44. These are plants adapted with water scarce in their habitat by modifying their leaves to all of the following, except A. Stomata sunken in grooves, B. Curled leaves, C. Reduced numbers of stomata, D. Increase the leaf surface area. Logically, is D. Yes, of course. Why? Because stomata sunken in groove, it's very deep, so that will reduce the loss of water. Curled leaves in order to reduce the exposed to the excess heat. Reduced number of stomata in order to decrease the water loss and retaining the water. But increase the surface area will cause more transpiration and more exposure to the environmental condition, which is of course not the option. Increasing the stomata, I didn't see this in one of the questions, to be honest. I translated the question that appeared in the exam. Increase the number of stomata for sure is not the answer, because if we increase the number of stomata, will cause more transpiration, and more transpiration is a more water loss in a very extreme condition.